Hey my beauty family, this is Valya and in today's video I'll show you with my MUA Bronze Cream Perfection with this cream bronzer and with this triangle brush and this beauty blender and this triangle brush. Of course, I will show you how you can contour, blush, set and highlight your face. So, if you are interested in this video, we are going on and I'm gonna show you how you can do this on your own, alone beginners, and believe me, trust the process. It is not so difficult. It is easy with some much more tries. So, let's get right into this video to show you how you can do it. I'm taking my MUA Bronze Cream Bronzer Espresso. This is my product for my contouring. I'm taking this triangle brush, one part, another shorter, and I will take product from this with my triangle brush, starting from the upper part of the ear, under the cheekbone, and I will pull a line till where is the middle of the cheekbone, till this point, from the upper part of the ear till where it ends the bone, exactly under my brow bone. I'm doing the same onto my other ear, from the upper part starting till where it ends exactly the under brow bone area. Look, from the upper part till this point. You will check with your finger where is your cheekbone, where it starts, where it ends, and you will find it. Then I will have some dots on the forehead near the last root, on the jawline some dots, and I will take this triangle light thin brush, taking some product from this, and I will contour my nose exactly, start from the inner part of the brow, the eyebrow, here, and pull a straight line on the bottom area of the nose, and on the other eye, a straight line on the bottom area, and if you want a line on the nose. This is the contour of the nose. This is how we contour our face, my friends. I'm gonna start with this triangle brush to smudge the product, to blend the product. So, I will start from the inner part of the face with quick motions because these products are getting dry very soon, onto the outer part of the face, backwards and upwards. As you see, I'm blending the product from the inner part, backwards and upwards, my friends. Look how easy it is and how nicely it is blending. And from the other part, upwards and backwards. As you see, the product is very easy to apply it, upwards and backwards. And on the forehead, I will apply it from the inner part of the forehead onto the last root. Look, onto the last root. If you want, you can use a wet beauty blender. Look how it is going. And with that way. And this angled brush, it is very helpful for you. You will use both of them and you will find the right way for you. And this. This must be wet. And on the jawline, it's the only point of the face that I pull down the product. I pull down onto the whole neck the product, as you see. Onto the whole neck. I have one mirror near me and I pull the product onto the whole neck. And on the nose, the most times I take my wet beauty blender and starting to apply the product onto the bottom of the nose. As you see, I pull my product with my beauty blender and my contouring is ready, my friends. This is the way on how you can contour easily, quick and very good your face. Now we are going, I hope it is understanding. You need a triangle brush, another triangle brush and a wet beauty blender. These two you have, it's the perfect way. They are contouring also in sticks. I have one, but in summer I prefer the mousse, the cream. It is much more easy to apply and to work with this, my friends. And FUA Bronze Perfection, it has only $8.99 and it's very easy to use. Now, let's have some coffee. We are going to our highlighter. We need our concealer. I use in this case my Maybelline New York Fit Me. I'm starting to conceal, to highlight my face. On the inner part, some good amount, as you see, onto the outer part. Before that, my friends, I have prepared my face, the whole skin prepared. I have done my eyes, as you see, my brows, as you see. I have weared my foundation, my primer, and then I continued to the rest of the face. On the other eye, one good amount, pull it a little down. On the outer part, some product between the brows, onto the bridge of the nose, onto the mustache area, onto the chin area, and two lines near the mouth. As you see, we pull it as a mini lift. Then I'm taking my beauty blender, as I always take my beauty blender, and starting to apply the product. With these motions, always quick motions, because the liquid products are getting dry very, very soon. And the most easy way is the beauty blender. With this way I'm showing you, you need to blend the products very, very quick because they are liquid and they are getting dry so much soon, my friends. On the inner part, I'm taking and my concealer brush to smudge, to blend better the inner part of the eye. Anyway, it is more practical for you. Use both brushes and beauty blenders. You will try, you will find the right way for you. I'm showing you all the ways to apply the product and you will find the right way, my friends. Now my highlighting is ready. Going on to the blush. MUA Liquid Cream Blush Misty Rose. I will have some amount onto the back of my hand because it is much more pigmented. I will take this type of brush, some product, applying on the back of my hand to have a better performance blending, and then applying onto the cheekbones. Onto the cheekbones, quick and easy, from the inner part of the eye till the outer part backwards, near the temples. As you see, I put it a little near the temples. Look how beautiful this is. And I turn it a little on the inner side of the eye. Easy way, beautiful way, practical way, and a little on the nose, my friends. In this video, as you see, I'm showing you how you can contour, highlight, blush and set your face because it's very important. I really love peach blush as it is. we are ready from the blush. Now we are going on to our highlighter. I'm going to use my Mona Reef Stellar highlighter. This I'm going to have some mini, less amount, as you see, less, on the cheekbones. I will apply it with my beauty blender. I don't need much of highlighter, liquid highlighter, just a little amount of that. I will have some on the nose and on the cupid's bow and on the temples. A little amount of the liquid highlighter. And I apply it, as you see, with my beauty blender, which is the most easy, right way, easy I have to say, the most easy way to apply it. Now, after this, we are going to set up the face. Always a very point that it is so important. Loose powder, Huda Beauty, any loose powder you want. This is my pizza pie easy bake. This is a very thin powder. We apply loose powder onto the whole face, exactly under the bottom eye area. Only loose, thin powder under the bottom eye area. Taking this fluffy powder brush and setting up with tap, tap, tap motion under the eye. 2-3 times. Tap, tap, tap. You don't need something extra. This is the right way on how you can set up the under eye area. Then I'll have some amount more, as you see, to set up the whole face onto the bottom areas. Everywhere we apply the thin loose powder. Everywhere. We start from the bottom eye area. Then, if you are a very oily person, I continue and with a compact powder only onto the bottom eye, bottom face, as you see, I apply one compact powder. Any compact powder you have. But I always start with my thin loose powder from the bottom eye, then onto the whole face, and then if you are a very oily person, this helps you to keep your makeup look matte for many hours. Apply a little layer from compact powder onto your face. Let's have a little more to correct our brows, because I have done them before I start my makeup. As you see, it is an easy way to apply your contouring, your highlighter, your blush. It is not very difficult. Now we have applied all the liquid products. Now we have to set up and with powdered products. For you beginners, the most easy way for you is to take a palette like MUA Golden Hour Face Palette that has inside all. It has bronzers, it has blushes, it has highlighters. If you want, take it different products. But a palette, affordable palette, $9.99, that has all of them, it is more easy for you beginners to use. Taking this fluffy big brush and my stolen handle, these are my bronzers. Taking the product, dust off the excess and starting to apply the product with circular motions with the same way, from the inner part of the cheek onto the outer part, circular motions. Now we set up the face. As you see. Onto the forehead with the same way, onto the jawline until the bottom neck, and I will take this fluffy brush to take a bronzer and to contour with the same way from the inner part of the brow, a straight line onto the bottom nose. I contour my nose with that. Then I continue with that fluffy big brush by Ibra 11 and I'm taking this which is the Misty Rose. And maybe I will have both of them, dust off the excess onto the cheeks. Quick motions from the inner to the outer part, quick motions. and I set up the previous liquid product and some onto the nose. At this point, I will take my fixing spray. At this point, watch me out. I will have my fixing spray to set up the face. We have to wait for 1-2 minutes. We'll see if it is a little middle wet, middle dry. Taking my beauty blender so I can have left side. And at this point, taking this highlighter brush and my highlighter sunbeam, taking the product, my face is middle wet, middle dry. Dust off the excess, tap, 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 quick motions onto the cheeks, tap, 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 quick motions, a little onto the nose, onto the cheeks. You will have so much good performance, you will see, good, deep performance, my friends. Where is my, now, and onto the temple, and onto the cheeks. The very better, much performance from this product, where my face is middle wet, middle dry, and a little onto the temple. This is the most easy way to do that. This is the way on how we can contour and highlight our face. Let's have a little more of onto the inner part of the eye, a brown liner. I have done my eyes before, and a little more of onto the bottom mascara, lashes. Our eyes is ready, and this is the right way on how we have to contour, blush, set and highlight our face. I have shown you. Look how the performance is amazing. And now, finishing with lips, sincere, nude lips in this case. And a nude lipstick by MUA Heroic. Which is this? A nude, pink nude lipstick. This is a lipstick for every day. It is a combo that I'm gonna leave you down in the description box. They are products by MUA, both of them. This is the Sincere lip liner. This is creamy matte lipstick Heroic. I will leave you in the description below so you can have the combo. This has only €5, €4.50, and this only €3. They are and affordable and very nice. And our look is ready. The purpose of that video was to show you how you can contour, highlight, blush and set your face. As you see, my eyes were completely ready, my face, my lips were ready with nude, light, pale colors. I hope, my friends, that I have explained you well, very well, how you can contour your face in a professional look, in a professional makeup look, or a photo shoot look, a photogram for your Instagram, for your photos look. You need to contour your face. You will have, like you see, a very framed, shaped face. You need that to have a contour. Don't avoid this. Well, my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends.